Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Zoho Mail account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Zoho Mail website. On this page, you'll find various email options, but today we'll focus on setting up a personal email account. On the home page, look for the link or button that says Personal Email. Click on this option and you'll be directed to the registration page. Now that you're on the registration page, it's time to fill in your details to create your new account. First, enter your full name, the name you want to be associated with your emails. Then, choose your new Zoho email username, which will follow the format yourname@zoho.com. Pick something that represents you and is easy for others to remember. After that, create a password. Make sure to choose a strong yet memorable combination that's difficult for others to guess, but easy for you to recall. Follow Zoho's guidelines by using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your mobile number. This step isn't just a formality, it's essential for verification and helps keep your account secure. Then again, enter your mobile number to confirm it. Then click on this I agree checkbox, and then click on this sign up for free button. After that, Zoho will send a verification code via SMS. Once you receive the code, enter it into the field provided on the registration page. This step confirms that the mobile number is active and belongs to you. And that's it. Once your mobile number is verified, your new Zoho Mail account is ready to use. And that's it. So that is how you can create Zoho Mail account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.